Hey guys, welcome back to Learning with Harry. Today, very small but very informative topic. Sometimes you have to add a data like I'm entering some few names. So you have to add a serial number. Some people follow manually, some people does this like adding a shortcut, adding a number one. But when you learn some shortcut, you will see a magic. Just enter a name, you will find a serial number. Enter anything here, you will find a serial number. How to do this thing here? So we have one formula where we can use a combination of if function along with a row function. Row function is basically a function where you will get a serial number of a particular row. Now this combination we will use with if function. Let me start with if function. If my C3 is blank, then I don't need any serial number. Simple. If C3 is blank in double inverted quotes, and double inverted quote means blank, so I will need a blank. But suppose if someone entered a particular data like we did earlier, you add a function row, that is C3. Now you are on row number 3, but I need a serial number first, so I will deduct 2 from here. I will get serial number 3 here. Likewise here, if you see here, the formula is there, but nothing is added unless you add any name here. Like I'm just adding name, you will get serial number 4. You just add again name of whatever, like YouTube, and number 6. So you can use these combinations to get desired solution for you. Now you might be dealing with day-to-day problems. You can comment what problem you are facing. Along with that, we can get the solution for you guys. And one more thing, you may like this channel and share with your friends to get tricks like this. Please comment your problem to get a solution by a simple combination of multiple formulas. Thank you so much guys, and have a great day. Take care.